Hey y'all, my hair has been really frizzy lately, so I'm going to incorporate a clay mask in my wash day. So first I'm going to prepare the clay mask and then I'm going to start my wash day. So the first thing I'm going to do is just pour in the powder. I like to use the Aztec healing clay, and this one is on Amazon. It's in Target. I'll link it in the description. Then I'm going to use some organic apple cider vinegar, which is also available in most supermarkets, Target, Amazon, wherever. That'll also be down in the description. Then I'm going to use a plastic stirrer, and also notice I use a plastic bowl because for some reason the clay does not work if you use metal, so don't use a metal bowl or a metal spoon. Yeah, so my stirrer just happens to be a highlighter, and don't ask why, I just decided to use that. So you just want to stir in your first powder and apple cider vinegar to see what type of consistency you have. This one was a little too watery, so I decided to add in some more powder. It looks like this was the last bit because I need my consistency to be smooth enough to smoothen my hair. I don't want it to be too watery and I don't want it to be too thick. So usually the consistency is something like what I came up with here. And this is what I had to use because I ran out of powder. So now let's start wash day. So I'm going to just shampoo with this shampoo here, TPH Honey Fresh, and then apply the mask. Okay, my hair is clean. I shouldn't be using these clips because they're metal. So let's start in the back. So yeah, if you have plastic clips, use your plastic clips. Try not to let your clips touch the clay because it deactivates it or something. I don't know, y'all. Look at the curl. They are getting nice and clumped up. So shampooing was basically to cleanse my hair first to get off the dirt and oil, and now the clay mask is going to further do that and really dig deep into my pores and cleanse them so that I can have defined curls. Okay, we're up front now. I used the remainder of what I had left, so let's see, hopefully I can make it stretch. Okay, so I'm done now. So now I'm gonna just let it sit while I clean up, and then after I clean up, I'm gonna rinse it out with warm water and show you guys the result. Okay, so here's how my hair is looking after the mask. I didn't put on any conditioner yet, but it looks so good. So now I'm gonna apply the Palmer's Lymph Retention Deep Conditioner to my hair. It's super soft and smells just like the cocoa butter lotion. It's really important that you follow up with a deep conditioner or a conditioner that really moisturizes your hair. So definitely don't skip this step. So here you'll see the remnants of the clay mask on the back of my shirt, and don't be alarmed because this will come right out in the wash. Usually I like to let my like shirts, soap, whatever I wear whenever I do a clay mask. I like to let it soak, and the clay mask just comes right out. And then after I let it soak, I just wash it by itself in the washer with a little bit of detergent, and it's clean. I mean, really, you can wash it with other clothes too. You don't have to wash it by itself, but just make sure you let it soak by itself just to soak out the clay. I'm gonna rinse this out, and then we're done with wash day. Okay, so I'm done. I put on my butter. But yeah, so thumbs up this video. Check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.